Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Generative Fill if it's not working in Adobe Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first and foremost, make sure that your Adobe Creative Cloud is up to date. Also, make sure that you are currently connected to the internet, okay? As Generative Fill requires a stable connection. And if you do have VPNs, disable it for now. And once done, go ahead over to your search bar and find Windows Defender Firewall. This one. Just click on it and go to the top left, click on Allow an App or Feature. Okay. Now click on Change Settings at the top. And here find Photoshop. Okay. If you can't find it, just like this one right here, click on Allow Another App. Click on Browse. Now go to Local Disk C, as this is the directory where Photoshop is installed. Yours may be different. Okay, go ahead over to Program Files, Adobe right here, Adobe Photoshop, scroll down, find Photoshop.exe, open, add. Once added, both private and public should be ticked. Okay, check both of them, and then after that, just click on OK. Close this one, and after that, go ahead and run Photoshop and check if Generative Fill is now working. Now, if that still will work, try to convert your files to RGB mode, okay? Or when you try to open up a file or create a new one, make sure that you use RGB color right here. And set the bit to either 8 or 16. Make sure that you are not using 32-bit images, the 32-bit right here. Or make sure that you are not using 32-bit images or indexed colors, okay? Just use 8 or 16-bit right here. And then after that, check if it helps. If that doesn't work, make sure that your Photoshop is up to date as well. Okay, click on Help right here. Click on Help right here and just click on Updates, and it will just automatically update for you. And that is it. That is how you fix Generative Fill if it's not working in Adobe Photoshop. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.